Hello and welcome. My name is Christoph Pütz and I'm your IT career guide. In today's video I want to talk about cloud. Talking about a career in cloud, a career in information technology, and how you can get into IT and then start working, as an example, as a cloud engineer or cloud developer. We will go through a number of different cloud providers, and I will point out those that you want to focus your effort on. But I will point other ones like as a runner-up in a certain way, so that you know that there are other players, and in case you already have some familiarity with them, that you can go down that path as well. I will also link to resources like on Coursera down in the description of the video. If you want to check it out, you can do this now. Pause the video, go to Coursera, take a look. But I recommend that you watch the video till the end, because I will then provide a little more detail about that. Before we get into this here, if you don't mind hitting the subscribe button for my channel and also hit the like button for this video, it will really help me with YouTube. So for today's video, I have a list of different cloud providers prepared. And this is geared towards the United States market. If you are in a different country, you want to check and see which ones are the largest players in your area. I will point out one company that is growing down in Asia quite significantly, and they also have a certification program. So that might be of interest to you if you want to go towards Asia or if you're located over there. So let's take a look at this graphic here, and you can see I have the cloud providers listed, I have the certification program listed, I have market share, not in percentage, and I'm talking about the certification value. I talk about job opportunities in general for you, where you can find jobs. And then we talk about the brand recognition as well, because it matters if what you put on your resume, especially in this area, because that could really mean a big difference in your income level. So let's take a look at Amazon. You're most likely familiar with Amazon AWS. They have a well-known certification program. They are the market leader in cloud services here in the United States. Their certification value is definitely high. If you have one of their certifications on your resume, you can almost pick and choose where you want to work. Job opportunities at the same time are high, so there are plenty of jobs for AWS certified individuals, be it on the system administration side or for development. And then the brand recognition, I don't have to explain to you how well known Amazon is. I don't have to explain to you how well known Amazon AWS is. So this is really the big kid on the block, and if that's the direction you want to go for, you're definitely heading in the right direction. It's not a mistake to focus on Amazon. The second one here is Microsoft Azure. Again, Microsoft is a well-known player in the cloud and in the IT industry. Of course, they have a certification program, and of course, they are a market leader next to Amazon. Amazon is still a little larger than Microsoft in this field, but Microsoft is catching up quickly, and is Amazon giving a run for their money in certain areas. So run for the money might be stretching it, but those two are really competing for the market leadership. Certification value here with Microsoft is high. Job opportunities, there are plenty of jobs out there, so you will not have any problems finding jobs. And then the brand recognition is high as well. The third one on the list is Google. With the Google Cloud, of course, they have a certification program. They are a solid third place competitor. Certification value is high. Job opportunities a little less than compared to Microsoft or Amazon AWS, but the brand recognition is there, and Google is putting a lot of effort in really to getting people trained and certified for their cloud services. The next big player is Alibaba, and you might know Alibaba as the Amazon type of competitor coming from China. They also, just like Amazon, are building a cloud. They are an upcoming company from that perspective. So down in Asia, they're one of the largest and fastest growing companies providing cloud services. So if you are located there or you want to relocate there, there's definitely a need for Alibaba certified people. And in that perspective, you might want to take a look at those. I'm not sure when and how big they will be in the United States, but it might be something where you go and start playing in a niche and get early into that field. And depending on what comes out of Alibaba's effort in the cloud, you might be one of the top people in that field. So you could take a gamble on that side. The certification value at this point is just medium. The job opportunities are low, and again, I'm focusing on the United States. And the brand recognition, I would say medium as well. Alibaba for information technology or for e-commerce might be well known, but I don't think in the broader population that it's a really well-known big ticket item name. So the next one is IBM. You know IBM, they're around since forever almost. That's how it feels like. They are building their cloud. I consider them a runner-up just from a size perspective. Of course, it's a large company, 130,000 employees. There is so much power behind IBM, but they are in so many different areas. So I would say from a cloud perspective, I put them on a solid 5th ranking here. Medium value for the certification, job opportunities, I would say probably on the lower side if you focus on the name IBM. So if you learn generic cloud or general cloud type of technologies, it's slightly different. The brand recognition with IBM is high, so there's no doubt about it. The next one is Dell VMware, and they have a certification program. I consider them a runner-up. VMware is more on the virtualization side, and I know we are talking overlapping topics here, so don't quote me on one specific item here. I'm just trying to keep this generic. From a size perspective, and that's what we're looking at here, Dell VMware is a runner-up compared to the top 3, Amazon, Microsoft, and Google. The certification value at the same time, medium. VMware maybe a little higher, but that's VMware specific. Job opportunities, I put it at medium as well. And then the brand recognition is high. Both Dell and VMware are well known in the information technology world. Last but not least, I'm putting HP here. They have a certification program. It's generic. What I was able to find also looked potentially a little outdated, going back to 2018. So I might have to do a little more research there, but I consider them a runner-up as well. Certification value at this point, low. Job opportunities, I'm also putting down at low. And brand recognition, yeah, HP is a well-known name, but I'm not sure how much it really resonates from a cloud perspective, and that's really what this video is about. The AWS certifications definitely stand out for their rigor and thoroughness in evaluating your knowledge, your skill set. They have an emphasis on hands-on and best practices. So when you go into those certification exams, that's a big ticket item to keep in mind. So really the hands-on experience, best practices. So it's not that you can just pick up a book, study, and then hope to pass the certification exam. You might, but the value really that Amazon wants to create is having people certified that have actual knowledge of the product. If you're already working with AWS, preparing for certification can really help with your resume, and if you are looking for a job or want to switch jobs, it will make a big difference on your resume if you are AWS certified. So don't underestimate the value coming from that. If you're new to AWS, I would recommend you start with the foundational knowledge, build up some skills, and then you go towards the AWS services or solution certification. So I hope this video gives you a good introduction into who are the largest players in the cloud world, where should you put your focus and effort on so that you have the highest success rate to find and land a job in the cloud. Amazon, Microsoft, Google, you cannot go wrong with any of these. So that's really the recommendation. So I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so as well. And then I hope to see you in my next video. Thank you for watching and have a great day. Bye-bye.